Welcome to the channel. Robotics is advancing faster than ever, and MIT is leading the charge. Today we'll explore an exciting breakthrough from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology that could completely transform how robots are trained and interact with their environments. Historically, robots have been limited by rigid programming. They operate based on preset instructions and require human input to adapt to new challenges. But what if robots could learn and adapt autonomously, just like humans, without constant supervision? MIT's newest innovation is making that a reality. Their new approach to robotic learning allows robots to teach themselves. Rather than being fed with static data, robots can now explore their surroundings, make decisions, and improve their performance naturally over time, much like how humans and animals learn. The secret behind this breakthrough lies in artificial intelligence and machine learning. MIT's self-supervised learning system enables robots to experiment, fail, and learn from their mistakes without needing pre-programmed instructions. This method lets robots independently solve problems and enhance their capabilities. In the past, robots were trained using vast data sets that required manual input. But with self-supervised learning, robots gather real-time data, learn from it, and adapt without human intervention, making them more efficient and versatile. This breakthrough could have far-reaching implications. Imagine robots that can assist in homes, offices, or factories. Robots capable of adjusting their behavior to suit specific tasks without constant reprogramming. They'll be far more adaptable and efficient. The potential applications are endless. Robots using this self-supervised learning system could revolutionize industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and even space exploration. They could perform surgeries, take on dangerous jobs in factories, or even explore environments that are inhospitable to humans. Although still in its early stages, this breakthrough could lead to robots that don't just follow commands, they think, adapt, and evolve on their own. This shift could accelerate the development of intelligent machines that are more capable and reliable than ever before. Imagine autonomous robots handling complex tasks without needing constant oversight. This could significantly speed up advancements in artificial intelligence, as robots could contribute their own insights to the learning process. However, with all great innovations come challenges. Ethical concerns surrounding autonomous machines making decisions, as well as ensuring the safety of robots trained without direct human supervision, must be addressed. MIT is already exploring ways to ensure these robots make safe and ethical choices. Despite these hurdles, MIT's innovation represents a huge leap forward in robotic technology. If successful, robots could move from being simple tools to becoming intelligent collaborators, solving problems and adapting to complex situations on their own. As self-supervised learning evolves, robots could play an even bigger role in our daily lives, transforming everything from how we work to how we live. The dream of intelligent, autonomous robots is closer than ever, thanks to MIT's groundbreaking advancements. With the pace of innovation at MIT and other research institutions, the world of robotics is advancing at an unprecedented rate. This new approach could mark the dawn of a new era for intelligent machines. Stay tuned as this technology continues to evolve and robots become an even more integral part of our future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in robotics and AI.